Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about increasing your comment karma. Let's get started. Comment karma is another type of karma that is an accumulated number of votes related to your engagements on Reddit. This includes all the subreddits that you have joined and participated in. As you engage with other Redditors in the comment section, you may notice an increase in your comment karma points. Consistently engaging on posts will help your comment karma improve, and you'll even gain a good reputation on the platform. Similar to post karmas, you can view a Redditor's comment karma when you place your mouse over any username in the post or in the comment section. When you're starting on Reddit, it is easier to increase your comment karma compared to your post karma. With post karma, you need to have your content ready for sharing, which can take up a little of your time and effort to share and post on Reddit communities. While sending comments or your opinion regarding a post shared is easier, as you won't have to prepare a lot of time in order to comment. To increase your comment karma, join the subreddits that are close to your brand's niche. When you search for communities, it is best to search for keywords related to your brand. These communities that are relevant to your brand will help you easily find the right posts where you can offer help using your expertise. Doing this will help the original poster, and they will appreciate your comment, and you are more likely to gain a comment karma. Next, choose subreddits that relate to your hobbies, interests, career, or experience. That way, you can easily compose what you want to share as your own opinion about a certain topic of discussion. If one of your hobbies is gardening, and you have knowledge about the proper ways to grow certain crops, then you can share tips as you find posts to comment on under the gardening tips subreddit. If a Redditor in this community asks for help or advice, then you can reply to that post as a comment so that the Redditor will be able to apply your advice on their problem. They will appreciate your help and give your comment an upvote. You can also use the search text box to search for the term gardening tips, and you'll be able to find posts that are looking for advice or help regarding that topic. So find those topics and comment on them. Next, find posts where you can ask questions. When you ask questions in posts where you want to learn something from, the original poster will be happy to engage with you and share their feedback regarding your question. Most Redditors share posts about their new purchase and give feedback from those products. Like in this example, the Redditor shared a post in this subreddit about new products he bought and tried. So you can ask questions related to that product, and you may notice for each question a Redditor asks, the original poster is willing to spend time answering the question. Doing this will help your comment karma points increase. Next, add value to the community. When sending comments, don't make it a goal of posting any comments just to gain comment karma. Share your opinion, but make sure that your comment is relevant and helpful so that the original poster will appreciate your comment. Every time you send a comment and it's relevant, interesting, practical, or full of insight, the original poster will definitely give you comment karma points, especially if they liked your comment. Also, people can read your comment and vote it if it's helpful for them or they like it. Take note that when posting comments, you must avoid including affiliate links on your comment, even if it's related to the topic. Reddit might detect this activity and might remove your comment. Also, send comments to posts in a timely manner. If you send comments as early as a few seconds right after you send a recent comment, it might not add to your karma points. Now that you know about increasing your comment karma, you can now proceed to the next topic. What are Reddit awards? I'll see you there.